What's up, guys? So right now I'm FaceTiming my brother, and look at what I did. Wait. Look, I got an M150 and I taped a ball onto it. So right now we're gonna go do it. Let me put this in my pocket. The lighter's outside. Okay. Will I still have connection if I go outside?
Yeah, you should.
Okay.
Who's home?
No one.
Just you?
Yeah.
Your mom always leaves you home alone.
Do you still hear me and see me?
Yeah?
Okay. Okay, how should I do this? Should I?
Just put it on the floor, light it, and go away.
Okay. Okay, Abbe, wait.
We're waiting. Silent later outside. Where? Why didn't I put you in silent things? Mike, what the hell? It's the hard of a lighter. That one was broken though, that lighter.
No, it works. Where did the ball go? It's right here. The ball?
Where did the ball go? It's right here. The ball's still...
Hi. Guys, nothing happened to the ball. Look, nothing happened. I thought it would like blow it to shreds or something, or at least burn it, but nothing happened. So I just came back inside and nothing happened to the ball. I thought it would like... I thought it would blow up or something. And now I'm gonna edit the vlog, and at the same time I'm FaceTiming my brother. No, the only thing is that the ball smells like firework. It smells like firework. So now me and my neighbor Allen are gonna play tic-tac-toe. Okay, let's play. Okay, your ex. So they just left, and I think I'm gonna go to my cousin's house soon to do the Lego. So, and look at the stuff we drew. And I'm all chalk. Even my camera's chalk. My whole camera is chalk. Aha. I vlog. And my mom came, and look at the thing, the floor. Alan drew a snail, and then we did tic-tac-toe. No, he wrote stupid Mike, and then I wrote stupid Alan, because his name's Alan. He drew a smiley face. We played a lot of tic-tac-toe. We both were even. I won 3 times, and he won 3 times too. And yeah. So I came to my cousin's house, and now we're gonna do the Lego that I bought yesterday. Now I'm gonna fast forward. up into there. It took us, how many hours do you think it took us?
You came at 3 or 4? 3.
3? And now what time is it?
6:10.
3 hours to do this. It was so hard. But we finally finished, and now I'm probably gonna go home soon. So I just left, and I asked my mom, when do you think I left? And she said, you left at 2 for sure, because I gave you your medicine, your 2 o'clock medicine, and then I took you over here. So, and then the second I finished, I checked the time, and it was 6:11. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 hours and 11 minutes. I was doing that, Lego. It took so long. It wasn't hard, but it took time. Like all Legos, they're not hard, it's just they take time. So I just left, and now I'm gonna go home. Got back home, and my mom made sopas. It's a type of soup, Armenian soup. And now I'm gonna eat it and watch, I forgot the name of this movie. Neighbors 2. So now I'm gonna eat this and watch The Pursuit of Happiness on Netflix. What time? Guys, so I just finished watching the movie. It was a really good movie. And now it's 10:25 and I want to go to sleep because I'm very tired. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.